Welcome back to Brain Benders Trivia. Get ready for some health trivia. Challenge yourself with these 50 questions about health. This is episode 1. Each episode will have 50 questions. You have 5 seconds to attempt each question. First question. So, what refers to an irregular heartbeat? Is it pericarditis, arrhythmia, or arthritis? Yep, it's arrhythmia. Next up, which cancer is found in the body's blood-forming tissues? Is it leukemia, sarcoma, or lymphoma? That's right, it's leukemia. Alright, what do you call a medical specialist trained to interpret X-rays? Neurologist, internist, or radiologist? You got it, radiologist. How about this one? What's defined as a low number of red blood cells? Anemia, gout, or hypoxia? Correct, it's anemia. Which of these is a viral disease? Anthrax, rabies, or tetanus? Yep, rabies. What does a doctor use to listen to your heart and lungs? Horoscope, stethoscope, or endoscope? Exactly, it's a stethoscope. Someone who is anuric isn't producing what? Saliva, urine, or blood? That's right, urine. Do you know what the bottom innermost layer of your skin is called? Dermis, epidermis, or hypodermis? Correct, it's the hypodermis. When blood clots block your blood vessels, it's called what? Fibrosis, mitosis, or thrombosis? Yep, thrombosis. Which of these is a breathing-related sleep disorder? Apnea, acne, or ataxia? You nailed it, apnea. Let's keep going. What do you think is the term for high blood pressure? Hypertension, hypotension, or hyperplasia? Correct, hypertension. Who do you go to if you have skin problems? Cardiologist, dermatologist, or neurologist? That's right, dermatologist. A deficiency in vitamin C leads to which disease? Rickets, scurvy, or anemia? Correct, scurvy. Which organ is primarily affected by hepatitis? Heart, liver, or kidney? Yep, it's the liver. Who's trained to deliver babies? Pediatrician, obstetrician, or oncologist? You got it, obstetrician. What's the medical term for a heart attack? Myocardial infarction, angina, or arrhythmia? Exactly, myocardial infarction. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Vitamin A, vitamin C, or vitamin K? Correct, it's vitamin K. What does an endocrinologist specialize in? Hormones, bones, or muscles? Yep, hormones. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebrum, cerebellum, or brainstem? Correct, cerebellum. What's the normal resting heart rate range for adults? 40 to 60 BPM, 60 to 100 BPM, or 100 to 120 BPM? You nailed it, 60 to 100 BPM. Having fun? Let's continue. Which vitamin is essential for maintaining healthy vision? Vitamin A, vitamin B, or vitamin D? That's right, vitamin A. What is the medical term for inflammation of the joints? Arthritis, osteoporosis, or myalgia? Correct, arthritis. Which organ is affected by nephritis? Liver, kidney, or heart? Yep, kidney. Which medical imaging technique uses magnetic fields? X-ray, CT scan, or MRI? You got it, MRI. What condition is characterized by high blood sugar levels? Hypoglycemia, hyperglycemia, or hypotension? Correct, hyperglycemia. What's the common name for cerebrovascular accident? Heart attack, stroke, or seizure? Yep, stroke. Who specializes in treating diseases of the eyes? Cardiologist, ophthalmologist, or orthopedist? Right, ophthalmologist. What's the main function of red blood cells? Carry oxygen, fight infection, or clot blood? Correct, carry oxygen. Which nutrient is essential for bone health? Iron, calcium, or vitamin C? You got it, calcium. What's the medical term for low blood pressure? Hypotension, hypertension, or hyperplasia? Correct, hypotension. What part of the body does a podiatrist treat? Heart, skin, or feet? Right, feet. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Insulin, thyroxine, or adrenaline? Yep, insulin. What's the main purpose of platelets in the blood? Transport oxygen, fight infection, or clot blood? Correct, clot blood. What's the medical term for difficulty swallowing? Dysphagia, dysphonia, or dyspnea? You got it, dysphagia. Which condition is known as the silent killer? Diabetes, hypertension, or asthma? Right, hypertension. Which organ produces bile? Stomach, liver, or pancreas? Correct, liver. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin A, vitamin C, or vitamin D? Yep, vitamin D. What's the study of diseases called? Immunology, pathology, or hematology? Right, pathology. Which disease is caused by the lack of insulin? Osteoporosis, diabetes, or arthritis? Correct, diabetes. What's the main function of white blood cells? Clot blood, carry oxygen, or fight infection? You got it, fight infection. Great job. Let's keep going. What's the medical term for ringing in the ears? Tinnitus, vertigo, or dysphonia? Correct, tinnitus. Which part of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body? Right atrium, or left ventricle? The correct answer is left ventricle. What's the term for the surgical removal of the appendix? Appendectomy, cholecystectomy, or mastectomy? Correct, appendectomy. Which condition is characterized by the loss of bone density? Osteoporosis, arthritis, or scoliosis? You got it, osteoporosis. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood? Heart, liver, or kidneys? Right, kidneys. What's the medical term for high cholesterol levels? Hyperlipidemia, hyperkalemia, or hypernatremia? Correct, hyperlipidemia. Who treats diseases of the lungs? Cardiologist, pulmonologist, or neurologist? Yep, pulmonologist. What's the medical term for a blood clot that travels to the lungs? Embolism, thrombosis, or hemorrhage? Correct, embolism. Which nutrient is necessary for the formation of hemoglobin? Calcium, iron, or vitamin K? You got it, iron. What's the medical term for a nosebleed? Epistaxis, eczema, or edema? Right, epistaxis. What did you score? Pick your next challenge, and make sure to like and subscribe if you are yet to do so.